Good day everyone. So for this video, I will teach you how to use Solidworks. And our task is to do this figure. So for you to know, I am using Solidworks version 2015. So I am using the front plane to perform the figure. So to start with, we will use the center line. Then we will make a horizontal line from this point to this point. Then a vertical line and a horizontal line again. Just make a random line. Then we will use the smart dimension to modify it. Then as what I've said earlier, we will use the smart dimension to modify the measurement of these lines. So this line measures 78. While this line measures 18. And this line measures 80. Next, we will make a circle from this point. So we will make a 3 random circle with random measurements. As what we did a while ago, we will use the smart dimension to modify the measurement of these circles. So the diameter of this circle is 130. While this circle, its diameter is 80. And lastly, this circle, its diameter is 46. Then after that, we will use the center rectangle to make an object in this part. So we will use this as a reference from this point to this circle. So this measures 6. Then after that, we will remove or delete the lines that are not included in our drawing. We will trim some entities. After that, click these 3 lines. Then we will use the circular sketch pattern. So the number of instance is 7. Then click this one and this midpoint, then enter. Then after that, we will trim the entities that are not included in our drawing. After that, we will make 3 circles again with random measurement. Then we will use the smart dimension to modify them. So this one measures 16. While this one measures 34. while this one measures 52. Then after that, we will use the center line. Then we will make a vertical line from this point to this point. Then a center line again from this point, 45° to this point. Then we will use the smart dimension to put dimension this angle. After that, we will make a circle here from this point to any point. Then we will use the smart dimension to modify the measurement of this circle. So this circle, its diameter is 8. After that, we will use the mirror entities to copy the circle on the other part. So click this one, then this line. Then we will just repeat it to the other portion of the circle. Then we will use the 3-point arc to make an arc on this part. So click this circle and this one. Then this one. Then click this arc and this circle. Then we will make sure that it is tangent. So click the tangent, then this arc again and this circle, then tangent. After that, we will use the smart dimension to modify the measurement or the radius of this arc. So this arc, its radius is 180. Then after that, we will offset entities. So this arc, we will offset it. Click the select chain, then reverse, then the measurement is 20, then click it downward. After that is a 3-point arc. Then click this arc and this circle, then click here, then smart dimension to modify the measurement of this arc. So this one, its measurement is 12. Then we will use the trim entities to remove the lines or arc that is not included. After that, click this arc and this arc, then click tangent. Next is this circle and this arc, then tangent again. Then we will use the 3-point arc to make an arc on this part. Then use the smart dimension to modify the measurement of this arc. So the radius of this arc is 10. Then we will trim the lines that are not included in our drawing. Then click this arc and this arc. Then click tangent. Then this arc and this arc. Then click tangent again. After that is this arc and this circle, then tangent again. For the meantime, we will remove these dimensions, then we will put that back later. Next, we will make a line from this point to this point. Then a slanting line from that point to this point. Then a horizontal line to this point. Next, we will use the Smart Dimension to modify the measurements of this line. So this one, the measurement of this line is 78. Then this one, this line measures 37. Next, from this point to this point. So this one measures 43. Then this one, this line measures 80. After that, using the fillet, we will click this line, then this line, then this one measures 20. Then enter. Next is a fillet again, so click this line, and this fillet measures 12. Then next, we will use the 3-point arc, then from this point to this point, then click here. So we will use the Smart Dimension to modify the radius of this arc. So the radius of this arc is 12. This is to click this arc and this circle, then click tangent. And after that is this arc and this line, then click tangent again. Then next is the offset entities. Then offset this line. Oh, sorry. Just click the offset entities again. Then offset this line and this line. Then next is a fillet. So click this line and this line. Then we will trim the lines that are not included in our drawing. Then using the 3-point arc, we will make an arc from this point of the circle, then at this line, then click here. And we will use the Smart Dimension to modify the measurement of this arc. So the radius of this arc is 5. Then click this circle, and this arc, then click tangent. Then next is this line and this arc, then click tangent again. Next is a fillet. So click this line and this line, and this the radius of this arc is 8. After that, we will use the perimeter circle to make a circle on this part, and the radius of this circle is 5. Then click this circle and this circle, then click tangent. Then trim the lines or arcs that are not included. So this is our final drawing. And as you can see in this bottom part, our drawing is fully defined. So we are done in our drawing. And to be clearly seen, I will just modify its dimensions. So that's all for this video. See you next time. Bye!